Hey guys, if you want to convert your simple notes into this type of creative notes, then you are on the correct video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert this simple line notes into creative notes using Google Gemini. So firstly, you need to open your Google Gemini account, then you need to type this prompt. You can also copy this prompt from description box, and this prompt is also available in the comment section. In this prompt, you can either type a single topic name or you can also add summary of topic. After giving single topic name, this is the result that you get. And after giving the summary of any topic, this is the result that you get. And here you can see that this visual representation is so good that you can easily able to understand any topic. So yeah, all the prompts are available in the description box. So yeah, this is all about for this video. If you really find this video helpful, so don't forget to like this video, and for more videos do subscribe the channel.